occurred to me that it might actually be useful to show you some of the dusting and polishing and so on. So all I've got here is a decent quality duster, which I only keep for this part of the process, and literally just creating it in a nice little pad. You can just buff the surface. So what this does is takes off any of the fine dust residue that there might be, which you invariably get, and try to be careful with your nails that you don't sort of press too much through the duster, because then you can easily score the surface. It's not the end of the world, but you just have to respray that bit, which is a bit of a pain. Don't want to do that. And I think what I really like, actually, I'm very pleased straight away really with how this is looking. I don't know how well this is coming out on the film yet. I haven't reviewed it, obviously. Well, we're still filming, but it's certainly giving a really nice base natural metal finish. So apart from adding a few variations to the finish, so I'm going to go and do a little bit more research after this, just check out and see are there any particular panels that were a slightly different metallic tone. We'll take care of those next, and add those. Then it's probably pretty much straight into yeah, probably thinking about decals. Gosh, decals, yeah. Soon enough, I would think. So yeah, all coming on quite well. So just occurred to me, just have a little look here around the nose section. Imagine, if you remember, we had all that sort of faffing about with the clear part and the insert and all the rest of it. But actually, that's come out very well, I think. Certainly with the riveting. The riveting seems to have come out quite nicely. I just hope that's showing up all right on the film. And then of course again on the wings you can see the rivet lines. Hopefully you can see those rivet lines nicely too. So yeah, all in all, it's certainly looking the part, which is good. Okay, so I'll just I'll press on then and do a bit more of that, finish the surface, and then we can come back and I'll meet you again afterwards and we can go from there.